addressing the elephant in the room. Even though I'm on quarantine, allergies still got into my house somehow, pollen's everywhere. I thought I'd do my eye makeup to match the redness of my eye. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I got my new Trendmood box. Specifically the Ole Henriksen Takeover. I am so freaking excited. So I know I said during my last anti-haul that I'd have to think about this one. At the time, there were only 3 sneak peeks for this box as far as products go, and it was like the new vitamin C something or other. I think the Banana Bright primer and then the eye cream. And I was like, depending on price, we'll see how it goes. I don't know. I love the eye cream, but I didn't know if it'd be enough. And then they did a full reveal and I was like, yep, it's enough. I'm gonna open it. Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. Okay, that's what it is. Her packaging is cute. I will give her that. All right, so it comes with a little card, I guess, explaining the new vitamin C serum. Let's just get into this. This box was $59 for 5 full-size Ole Henriksen products. Ole Henriksen is one of my favorite skincare brands, period. And when I saw it was in this box, I couldn't resist. We'll just start here. This is the new Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. I love vitamin C serums. I use it every day, typically just in the morning, but this one sounds all right. It's full of PHAs, hyaluronic acid. I like that it's in a pump, kind of like their Truth Serum. I'm wondering how this is different from their Truth Serum. I kind of want to look up the ingredients and see. I don't want to pump it yet because I already have an open Truth Serum that I want to work through. But I really want to know if this smells obnoxiously like sun-kissed or high C. I don't know. Either way, this is going to retail for $65. It launches in a few days, and I just think that's awesome that this product alone is worth more than I paid for the box. Up next, we've got the Banana Bright Face Primer. I have this already, and it's all right. It's not my favorite primer, I'm not gonna lie. This retails for $38. Is this a full size though? Oh yeah, I guess that's right. It's an ounce. It just seems smaller than mine. I'm not sure. It's a good enough primer. This was what excited me the least out of the whole box though. I could take it or leave it. This especially drew me in. So this is the Banana Bright eye cream. I talk about it all the time. This is my favorite eye cream, ride or die. I feel like it actually brightens my under eyes unlike anything else that I've ever used. And this retails for $39. Just this little size, half an ounce. And this is something that I would have had to rebuy eventually. So again, knowing that this is $39, the box was only $59, it was a no-brainer that I should go for the box. Okay, and then there's the Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. Again, easy decision. This is my every night toner. It's my nighttime toner. That was redundant. It is my evening toner. It targets dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture with high potency AHAs. This stuff is amazing. When I first used it, it took me about 2 weeks and of use every night, I will say. Used it every night for 2 weeks. I noticed such a change in my skin, texture specifically. My face just looked brighter. I can't even explain it. Well, Glow 2.0. I was glowing. It's amazing. And I mean, maybe I could take a break from it and then come back to it and have that nice moment again, but I don't know. I don't really want to go without it. I'm on my 2nd bottle right now, and now I've got to back up. This thing is $28, so it's not overly expensive, but still nice to have in the box. Just adds the value for me. All right, and then the last thing in the box, it is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask. I've talked about the mask before here. I had a mini size, and when I used it up, I was so upset, and I talked about how I wanted to buy another one, but the full size, like $38, $39. That's just a lot for a mask. This is my favorite, and now I have a full size. And once I'm done filming this, I'm gonna go put it in my skincare fridge so I can use it tonight. I feel like it's so good at just pulling all the gunk out of my skin, and it gives you like a cool minty feeling when you're wearing it. I love the turquoise color. I think it's super pretty. Everything about this mask is aesthetic, it smells nice, and it feels so good once you take it off. So I love it. This is like my favorite mask, and now again, full size. So for $59 to get 3 staple products, that alone would have cost me more than the box. I got 2 additional products. So I know I shouldn't be spending money right now, but when it's stuff that I'm actually gonna use and I wanna use, I had a hard time turning that down. I justified it. But legit, I'm gonna use this tonight. Once I'm done with my mini, I've got a full size of the eye cream. I've got a backup of my toner when I'm done. I've got a new vitamin C serum to use, and I have a primer to like put in a giveaway. That's what I should do with the primer. I need to do a giveaway. I have like 420 something subscribers. When I get to 500 subscribers, I've got a giveaway for you guys. I've already been adding products to it, so I'll just pop this in there too. Perfect. But yeah, I'm curious to know, did you guys splurge and pick up this Trendmood box full of Ole Henriksen products? Please let me know in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.